Check in a Shirley, yeah. Shirley morning check. I relax in the morning, yeah. Relax. No work today. Sleep. Lie me at you. Work off. Go on. What the Alright. Boom, bang, 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 bang. So right now, tear down time. Tear down. Tear down it under. Yeah, take out all what in it. Take out them arms here and anything, yeah. Clean up. From here so go so. Clean up all the front. From the front of the car go straight round. Yeah, and then start afresh. So I show you what I go on, what in the car, what me I take out, what me I do, what kind of wire they use. Whole heap of little things. Remember, don't judge around to see. Bang, bang, bang. Alright, first thing. Feel like a them two piece of tool I'm gonna use. Alright. One of the amps, yeah. This not installed on the system, none at all. You just carry the amps here come here. Alright. And people, see with my video in today because I want to get some work out of the way. Because I have some other things I do. See one of the amps there. And see wire them. This is a ground wire. One of them is a current wire and one is a remote. And see, I jump this amps here so. Then I use no remote on this system here. Same thing over this. Alright. I get rid of some things out of the system right now. Alright people. This is what I have. See it there? Strip out. Some amps them there so. This look like then did I use to play mid. And this look like then did I use to play bass. Yeah. And the amount of junk. Pure garbage. Them wire, I mean not even know if them wire are good enough. I have some more wire for draw out we're going on our back. Cause all of them are wire. Them there, where the other side there, around our back them gone. So I have to go draw out them there. See there? All money, silver, nail clip, marble, pen, all kind of screw, all kind of something. Underneath the carpet and the seat and in them place. You go clean up. You go clean up still, people. I don't know, I'm not on the dirty working business, you know. So I go clean up here. Clean up all of them sitting here. Them buckle they did in the car. Then they under the seat and cleaning agent them when you use pan in car. So I just put them over the side. The whole of the car want vacuum out. And people, that are main current line. You see the wire the way you see? That are main current. And that go to the switch. And send from the switch go. Oh God. Alright. Me I go change up some things in this car. Yeah. Good? You gotta change up some things in this car. Yeah. Fix things for him. Making it sound up on a level. So right now, all of them sitting here want vacuum. Vacuum out this car. Take out them wire. Throw them one side. Get rid of all them garbage. So I don't know the procedure, you know. I don't know where it's going. And watch out now. If you don't subscribe to the channel, subscribe now. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. If you don't subscribe, subscribe right now. You know it's all about music. It's all about music. Might want scraps his wife, so I show them right this. It's all about music. Them garbage, Whoa, enough garbage. But you don't know anything. You look like say you get the current for your radio from the main straight. Everything runs straight, you know. I go search for your wire them and run it properly. When you switch on the car, I may not even know if he have indoor speaker and in good or not even connect indoor speaker then. A whole heap of things me I forgot to do. Me I go check what I go on and make you know what I go on. Yeah, but me I go show on everything as me go along. Anything at all when me do, me I go make you see that me do. Right now, me I get out them garbage, all pencil. I get out all of them garbage. And next pencil. Me not even did see pencil them. All of them garbage have to come out right now. Alright. Alright people, see you wire them there. That's all I wire them way in there. And that run every single thing. Everything them the wire they run. So right now me upon clean slate. Nothing at all. I get the car vacuum out. Right now. Radio. I'm supposed to move them preamp there. I'm going to try organize where I'm going to put them and how I'm going to wire them and them thing there. Because round my back look limited with space. But I know my thing go already, you know, man. I know if I do some maths, you know, so I'm going to do some maths and fix things right here. Good. I would son a play.
You know what I'm saying? We come back to some jam on the place. You understand? But I would sound a play now. Sweet love. One of the youngest at the bottom sound on the business right now. You know what I mean? You understand? Sound like any rains are brand new. Let's go!
Yo, your son no young, your son no young again. I lie, I tell.
I'm not young, I'm respect. Alright. Yeah.